Hi there, welcome to the GridMate learning channel. Today, we'll walk through a step-by-step guide on how to configure the GM map list component to map multiple records for any standard or custom object. We will split this demo into two sections, the setup and the demonstration. First, let's create a new app page. Go to the setup. Search for Lightning App Builder. Click New. Set a label, for example Map Explorer. Click Next. Select one region and click Done. On the left side in the Component Explorer, search for GM Map List. Drag and drop the components into the page. For the map provider, select OSM, which stands for OpenStreetMap. Alternatively, you can select Google Maps depending on your preference. Set account as object name. Set Map Explorer as a custom label. Configure the filter so that billing latitude is not null, ensuring only records with valid location data are displayed on the map. Set the row limit. With OSM, all you need to do is set the latitude and longitude fields. For that, set billing latitude on the latitude field, and set billing longitude on the longitude field. For title field, set name. In the popover property, add the type and billing city fields. For the detail fields, choose type, billing city, and website. For the search field, set name. Check Enable Filtering. Set standard account as list icon. Check Show Border. Set 9999 as map height. Marker colors will be set based on type. For example, customers or prospects can be colored differently. Copy the configuration. Paste the configuration. In the Search Around section, we're using Geo-Appify with a maximum search radius of 500 kilometers. Paste the configuration. For the action, we will copy this assign action. Paste the configuration. For record actions, we will copy the view and edit and assign actions. Paste the configuration. Check Show Clusters. Let's save after completing all this configuration and activate this page on the Sales app. And that wraps up the setup. In the next video, we'll see it in action. Thank you for watching.